good things and there is bad things.
Oh, you mean to say it's the Philippines the good thing, bad things?
If you could take half of Australia, half of Filipino, put it together, it would be perfect world.
Yeah.
Ganyan ba mag-interview? May papel.
Okay, nice.
And then
nice. And then next question. If you want to hear, Steve will hear, what do you want to improve the Philippines to survive in any problem here, mostly in the lower family? What do you want to share? How about this to grow on? What you want to share? What you call no money?
Delikado ito si Rich.
I would like to see more education for Filipinos.
Yes. But
to teach them modern ways, like I've got electric saws in there.
Yeah.
When we had builders building roof, I bought the saws out. Here, use no, your hand saw. They've got to learn. They've got to have.
I know you say, I know you want, but this Philippines is nobody work, and the family no need to education. More education is more than the Philippines here, and mostly is 40% to
percentage pa.
40% to higher to education, but more than 60% no knowledge,
But that's it.
no.
Education is
It's
knowledge.
number one.
Education is
knowledge. No, number one.
Yes.
But here, what about this is one. The family is no survive to what they call it, aral, you know that, to
Are you interviewing me or am I interviewing you?
You interrupt me, huh? Don't interrupt me. You want to like a TV show?
Interrupt. Not
Don't interrupt me because you like a TV show. Maybe to
practice.
Then to catch up to maybe you want to.
What I mean, you want to interview Ray, but you are the one who explain. You are the one who elaborate. Okay. Another.
I want to explain, but hindi ko na totally explain to right.
Change topic.
Change the topic.
About sex.
Oh no.
Hindi.
No idea to sex.
Hindi. You ask him.
Yes, sir. But the Australiano and then the Filipino. How about the sexual? For the part of
tingnan mo, ang galing mo.
A part of husband and wife, and then do what, kabet? You know the kabet?
Yeah, I'll be
another part of third party. Yes, thank you for your what the call? Australiano is 40%, and Filipino
wala ba 60 dyan?
Almost here, and 40% to 60%. How about your Australiano?
100% all in all.
No matter where you go in the world, sex is sex. Now tell me, hey.
Or everybody.
You are asking.
Oh yeah. No.
What is the difference between sex and love?
I know. I said you.
What is the difference between sex and love?
Ano daw ang ano? Hindi ikaw man tinanong.
The difference is
sex and love. What is the difference?
Because you love.
What is the difference between sex and love?
Because I love you. Because if you love a man, that's right. That's what sex is.
You don't have to love a man to have sex.
Bad.
Oh?
Bad.
What is?
Because you should.
What's bad?
You like this, huh?
No. No, we stop with this.
Isampul. Sampul.
No, if you want...
What is the difference? What is the difference between sex and love?
Ano daw?
Difference of love because you're... As a different is love, two. So, sasagot, the answer is two.
First.
First, love. It's different, it's not. At the first, explain if you hear and then like this explanation to you. The first is your love, is your sex, is better, is very like ocean.
Still haven't told me. You can have sex without love, or you can love with sex.
No.
What's the difference? You can have sex without love, or you can have love without.
Yeah, because I need because I need maybe somebody you sex will not love because need the money. Or else
No, that's prostitution. I'm not talking about money.
No. I mean like that. If you want to need to love and then to make other people in sex no love, it's different.
Oh, what is the difference?
Because I don't know to explain this one. Because that's it. I know myself.
You started this question, now you got to answer it.
Baliktad.
I don't know to explain you. I don't know to explain you because I meant to myself is a love anything to move. Anything, everyone.
Hindi, Tagalog mo na ako mag-ano.
Everything you want. Sex or everything. You have a love. But no love, everything is wrong.
Why is it wrong?
Sex is a little, but a love a longer. But you're not allowed the couple. What they call this? What they call?
With love.
With love.
Longer
relationship than your sex.
Shorter.
If you are not love, it's very shorter because your happening is enough. But after that happening is enough. But we have love. It's a longer. It's laway. You know that laway.
You said fuck.
Now I'll tell you the quick answer to the difference.
Yeah.
Sex is 5 minutes of happiness.
No.
Love is a lifetime of happiness.
Yeah, the perfect way. Not the perfect answer. Yeah. You mean, I like the mean. I like your answer. And then you want to explain to you like that, but nothing to...
Well, that's what I was asking you, but you couldn't tell me.
Ang hindi ko ma-explain ng maigi. Pero that night, talaga.
Tama na. Kasi baka maubusan ka na ng English. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And then, ano what? You are English speaking.
Sorry.
I so nose is very...
Bloody
because you're talk to about your... English.
Now I've told you, explained.
I know
I've explained now. Hey, hold on, listen.
Okay.
I've told you.
Okay.
Love is a lifetime, sex is 5 minutes of happiness.
Yeah.
What do you want, 5 minutes of happiness or...